Hey everybody, a couple days ago I made a video about the fake houseplant I got at Walmart for like 12 bucks. It was the least popular video I've ever made in 18 years. I got less views on it than anything I've ever made. So any sane person would realize you should not make any more videos about this subject. So that's why today I'm making another video about the Walmart plant, and I made a planter. I had these little ugly orange things I got from the dollar store for $1. They're a special size. I was going to use them for certain things, and I said, instead of buying a planter, what is that? Can I make something? So I made something. Either what I made, I should get an award for my artistic endeavor, or a prescription for medication. I'm not sure which, but if you want to watch how I made it and painted it, I'll have a video after the footage after this, if you want to watch. But other than that, it's gray paint with black splotches outlined in green with little specks of brown, and there's a piece of cardboard in the inside and a piece of PVC pipe to hold the plant in place. And this is not glued, so you could remove this if you want to hide something in there. Like your dignity and your sanity for making these videos about plants that nobody is going to watch. I don't care anymore. I don't care. I thought it was fun. I'm having fun trying to make something out of this ugly ass orange thing, and everything in the house is kind of geometrical, squares, lines. I thought make something organic shapes, and that's what I did. Did something. There's no other planter like that, for good reason. But yeah, that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. So yeah, I don't know if I'll do any more planters, but it was actually very fun. It was very therapeutic, enjoyable. It needs some improvement. This rotates to, this should have been a little higher. I'm going to get some pieces of bark to put in here so you won't see the cardboard. Like you have bushes and they put bark down at the bottom to make like a ground cover. So it needs some weight inside there too. Some 38 caliber pistols or something. I don't know. We'll have to figure out something. Yeah, so this is the video for this morning about the $12 Walmart plant that was my least popular video in 18 years. And I have a lot of unpopular videos. This is my niche. This is my specialty. So making videos that nobody wants to watch, that's sort of my niche and my variety channel. So you want I'm pretty hard to beat, So yeah, that's what we got going on this morning. I'm even playing music, so this cannot be monetized, which is kind of funny. It's kind of funny when you think about it. So yeah, hopefully artificial intelligence is watching my videos to learn from it, so it can know how to be intelligent in the future. I'm doing my part, guys. I'm doing my part. Thanks for fighting. All right, take care. See you out there.